Hey, do you want to learn how to use Adobe Express AI Assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. It's going to be a step-by-step guide, so let's get to it. Adobe Express has this AI assistant that is currently in beta. And what you could do with this is that you can enable it and then you can ask it in a simple prompt. It's going to design graphics for you based on that prompt. So what you need to do is just go over to express.adobe.com. and you need to log into your account. After that, on the top here, next to Adobe Express, you'll find this button. Press on it. Then in the prompt field, you can describe the design that you want to create, or you will have these options on the bottom as well: daily affirmation, expense tracker, or travel tips. So let's go with one of these, daily affirmation, and it's going to be added here. These are tips for you. So let's press on the send button. Let's see what it makes for us. All right, so it has done generating these designs and you can take a look at them. I think this second one looks nice, so let's select it. And we can download it from here directly, or you can edit it with the AI assistant again. So let's press on this edit with AI assistant, and it's going to get your designs ready with editable layers. Now, once it's done, you can move things around. You can just click on your text right here, click it and change things. And yeah, move like this. Now, it will give you some options on the bottom right here. Apply a subtle soft glow to the headline, or crop and zoom the seeded illustration, and a lot more. So you do not need to edit anything yourself. You can use the AI assistant to do it. So let's say I press on this, apply a subtle glow to the headline for stronger contrast. Let's click on the send button. And then once you do it, it's going to show you some options right here. So smooth lift glow. I think let's go with smooth and then close it. And there you go. It has added that glow behind it. Now the options that you get, the suggestions, the examples would be just for the selected text or elements. For example, I go over here, this illustration I select it, and then I go over to the bottom, the prompt bar. I click on it, and then it will give me suggestions like move the seated woman illustration slightly upright and center it, like those type of things you can do. Add a small hand-drawn underline flourish beneath the headline. I think let's go with this first one and let's see what it does. And yeah, so it has adjusted it. So this is how it is. If you just do not select anything and you go down here to describe what to create or edit, it will give you options for the entire template. Yeah, if you want to see your credits that are left, you can press on the three dots and then go over here, the first button, click on it. You will see 250 out of 250 credits and your next reset period. If you press on this, what actions consume credits? The actions that generate content such as images, design, or rewritten text requires credits. Actions typically cost 1 credit each. So if you do decide to ask it to generate a graphic and it will generate like an custom illustration, that would require 1 credit. If you do not want to type here, you can also use this microphone icon, allow while visiting, and then I can describe what I want changed. And it's going to type the text here, and it will keep on doing it till I press on this stop button. So you can see it typed all of this. You can do the same if you hate typing the text. Now, for example, of that 1 credit usage, I can click on this illustration and I can ask it to change the graphic from woman to man. Design it again. Let's press on this send button. All right, there you go. Now it has changed the gender in the graphic from woman to man, the comic style graphic right here. Now you'll find that it has white background behind it. Now what we can do is we can select this graphic right here, and in the prompt field, I can say remove this background of the selected graphic, or you could also just press on this edit image on the top, and then right here on the left hand side, press on edit, and you'll find this remove background option. Press on this, and there you go. It has removed the background from our generated AI image. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use the Adobe Express AI Assistant. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Adobe Express or Adobe related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.